Pfizer is pushing to get boosters out by the fall over concerns about variants and weakening immunity. And that's not all. The company also announcing it's making a new vaccine, one to specifically target the Delta variant. The news comes as daily average cases are rising across the country. They increased by 11% over the past week alone, and data shows hospitalizations are up as well. The CDC director calls the trends both troubling and concerning.
We know that the Delta variant has increased transmissibility, and it is currently surging in pockets of the country with low vaccination rates. Low vaccination rates in these counties, coupled with high case rates and lax mitigation policies that do not protect those who are unvaccinated from disease, will certainly and sadly lead to more unnecessary suffering, hospitalizations, and potentially death.
Well, right now, almost all COVID deaths in the United States are among unvaccinated people. That's the official from the CDC. At the global level, the Delta variant continues to push the known death toll higher and higher. Johns Hopkins reports it just topped 4 million today. For context, that's roughly the equivalent to the entire population of Los Angeles. We have coverage from all angles tonight, reporting from Tom Llamas in Tokyo on the fate of the Olympic Games. I'll also speak with CNBC's Dominic Chu about how Delta is affecting markets and your money. But first, our science and health correspondent Meg Tirrell is with us in studio tonight. What can you tell us about Pfizer's big moves today?
Yeah, so this just came out just now. I spoke with Pfizer about this. It says it'll ask the FDA for emergency use authorization for a third shot of its original vaccine next month. Now, it would need that clearance from the regulator to give a booster more than 6 months after the first 2 doses. So far, studies show a third dose boosts antibody levels higher and have been encouraging against both the older virus and the beta variant, the one associated with South Africa. Now, the company expects results looking at a booster of its original vaccine against the Delta variant in early August. They expect that should prove protective as well, but the company says it's also covering its bases with the Delta variant and developing an updated vaccine targeting that strain specifically that they plan to start testing in people in August as well. Now, Pfizer says experience from Israel, which vaccinated much of its population earlier than the rest of the world, suggests boosters may be needed 6 to 12 months from the first shots, something we hear from health experts in that country as well.
The effectiveness of the vaccine in fighting, in preventing severe diseases remained, while the prevention of getting infected decreased, and that's a fact.
Now, all of this is backed up by a new study in the journal Nature as well, showing how Delta can partially evade our immune protections. But luckily, we still get protection against severe disease.
We know Delta is now dominant in the United States, but where is it spreading the most?
Yeah, so we know Delta is so contagious. The CDC is warning that this variant will take hold anywhere there are low vaccination rates, which of course are the states most vulnerable. They're in the South and across parts of the West. And already Delta makes up more than 80% of variants detected across the region around Missouri. And of course, that's where you're seeing the fastest case growth in the country right now. And it's more than 70% in states to the northwest of that region.
Wow. Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.